Dear students, welcome to NRK classes, e-learning for mathematics students. Myself, Captain Dr. N. Ramakrishna, Professor of Mathematics, Mrs. Seven College, Vishakhapatnam. Today, our topic is differential equations part 3, which is one of the topics of Unit 1 of first year BSc students of first semester. In this video lesson, I will explain what is linear differential equation, what is the procedure to solve the linear differential equation, and also I explain the solution method for linear differential equations with examples. So what you are waiting for? Let us start our class now. Student will able to identify the linear differential equation. Student will able to learn the method of solving linear differential equation. Students will able to solve linear differential equation. Now, what is a linear differential equation? The differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x is called a linear differential equation. Here p of x and q of x are functions in x. Now this is a dy by dx plus p of x is equal to q of x is the linear differential equation. The solution of this linear differential equation is y into e power integral p dx is equal to integral in e power integral p dx into q of x dx plus c. Now we start with problems. Before that, we can explain the procedure of this linear differential equation. First step, convert the given differential equation to linear differential equation form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. Now step 2, find the value of e power integral p dx, and we note that e power log f of x is equal to f of x. Frequently you are using this relation. Now step 3, the solution of this linear differential equation is y into e power integral p dx is equal to integral e power into p dx into q of x dx plus c. Now problems on LDE. Solve cos square x into dy by dx plus y is equal to tan of x. This is not in a standard form of linear differential equation. So what is step 1? We have to reduce the given equation into linear form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. So throughout you can divide this equation with cos square x. Then what you have? Dy by dx plus 1 by cos square xy is equal to tan x by cos square x. 1 by cos x is secant x. So dy by dx plus secant square x into y is equal to tan x into secant square x dx. This is first one. Step 1 is over. What is p? Secant square x. What is q? Tan x into secant square x. What is step 2? We have to find out e power integral p dx. E power integral secant square x dx. That is nothing but tan x. So e power tan x. What is step 3? That is solution. Solution is y into e power integral p dx is equal to integral of e power integral p dx into qx dx plus c. So apply the formula here. Y into e power tan x is equal to integral of e power tan x into tan x secant square x dx. Now put tan x is equal to t secant square x dx is equal to dt. You can apply this relation here. Then we have e power t. This is t secant square x dx dt. Now apply integration here. E power t into t minus 1 plus c. What is the tan x? Therefore y into e power tan x is equal to e power tan x into tan x minus 1 plus c. Now you can divide total equation with e power tan x. Then y is equal to tan x minus 1 plus c by e power tan x. Therefore general solution is y is equal to tan x minus 1 plus c by e power tan x. This is the solution for the given differential equation. Now we can go for problem 2. X into dy by dx plus 2y is minus x square log x is equal to 0. So this is not in general form. So you can reduce this into general linear differential equation. Dy by dx plus 2 by xy is equal to x into log x. What is p here? 2 by x. What is q is x into log x. So now what is step 2? E power integral p dx, e power 2 by x. This is e power log x square. So e power log f of x is nothing but f of x. Therefore we have x square here. What is step 3? Solution. Solution is y into e power integral p dx is equal to integral of e power integral p dx qx dx plus c. So y into x square is equal to integral of x square into x log x dx. So x square into x cube log x. You can apply integration by parts. So log x into integral x cube dx minus integral of this derivative of log x 1 by x, and this integration of x cube is x power 4 dx. So what happens? This is log x, this is x power by 4 minus 1 by 4, this is x cube, integral x cube. What is integral x cube? X power 4 by 4. So 4 into 4 is 16. Therefore, y into x square is equal to x power 4 by 4 log x minus 1 by 16 x power 4 plus c. Now you can divide this equation by x square. Then the solution is y is equal to x square by 4 log x minus 1 by 16 into x square plus c by x square. This is solution for the general given equation. Now you go for another problem. Solve x square plus 1 into dy by dx plus 4xy is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. This is also not in linear differential equation form. You can reduce it into linear form. So dy by dx plus 4x by x square plus 1 into y is equal to 1 by x square plus 1. So what is p here? 4x by x square plus 1. What is q here? 1 by x square plus 1. What is step 2? We have to find out e power integral p dx. E power integral 2x by x square plus 1 into 2. That is 4x. So 2 into integral 2x by x square plus 1. F dash x by f of x. That is log f of x. 2 into log x square plus 1. 2 log x square plus 1 is nothing but log x square plus 1 whole square. Therefore, e power log f of x is nothing but f of x. So e power log x square plus 1 whole square is x square plus 1 whole square. What is step 3? Solution. Solution is y into e power integral p dx is equal to integral of e power integral p dx into q of x dx. Y into x square plus 1 whole square is equal to integral of x square plus 1 whole square into 1 by x square plus 1 whole square dx. These two get cancelled. What remains? 1 remains. So 1 dx. 1 is, that is x plus c. So y into x square plus 1 whole square is equal to x plus c. Now throughout divided to x square plus 1 whole square, then we will get y is equal to x by x square plus 1 whole square plus c by x square plus 1 whole square. So in this video lesson, I explain you what is a linear differential equation, the procedure to find out the linear differential equation, and we solve the linear differential equations. Thank you. Dear students, thanks for watching my video lesson. Please give a like and give a comment on this and share this video lesson to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.